Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to add QR code for Google Form. First, open your Google Form, and if you don't have a link, I have given a link in the description, and click the blank form. And this is the expanded view of Google Form, so you can customize according to preference. You can add a title here and a description if you like. So this is the area I'm going to add a QR code. So scan QR code for payment and payment $100, and I'm gonna add a QR code here. Before that, I'm gonna generate a QR code for my payment. So you can go to the Adobe Express and the link in the description for that as well, and create now option. You can press it, and you can see you can give a URL here. So I'm giving URL of my payment option. So, and once it's done, and I can download the QR. So I already download my QR code. You can use add image option to upload your QR code, and if you couldn't find add image here, you can select from this option. So I'm clicking the add image and uploading my QR code which I generated from Adobe Express, and you can see it's uploaded. And if you need another QR code, you can give payment again and do the same. Click the add image, go to your generated QR code and drag and drop it. So this is how we upload QR code for Google Form. So if you want to preview, you can click on this eye icon and see preview how it's look like. So scan your QR code payment and payment 1, payment 2. Yeah, so thank you for watching. This is our end of video. So please make sure to subscribe for my channel.